Performance task, pair assembly and disassembly. Materials you need are anti-static mat, anti-static wrist wrap, screwdriver, and something to place your screws. First is place your mat, then place your computer down the mat. Wear your anti-static wrist wrap, then clip it somewhere so you won't get any shock from the CPU. Then start. First is you'll have to remove all the cables, since a cable is connected to the power supply unit. Next to remove is the power supply unit. Start by unscrewing the screws and place the screws on the container. Now carefully remove the power supply unit. Now remove the storage drive by removing its wires on the drive and on the motherboard. Then remove the drive carefully. Now all you need to do is remove all the wires from the motherboard. Carefully remove the fan. Now unscrew all the screws that you see on the motherboard. Carefully remove the motherboard. Now remove the CPU socket from the motherboard by pulling the lever. Carefully remove it and put it somewhere safe. Now after the CPU was removed, put it back again and lock it carefully. After that's done, put the motherboard back again inside the computer. Now screw all screws on the motherboard. Now attach the fan again on the motherboard. Now attach all the wires on their connectors, including the cables. Don't forget to connect the fan's wire on its connector. After that's done, put the storage drive back again inside the computer. Now connect a wire on the storage drive and attach it on the motherboard where the connector is located. And then put the power supply unit on its place. If that's all done, put all the screws inside the power supply unit to secure it.